Brilliant. So next up, we'll tackle a few common questions. Russell, what's the best age to buy life insurance?
Yeah, well, typically speaking, the younger you are, the cheaper the premiums are going to be, because in general, you're more healthy than you are when you get older.
Brilliant. And what am I covered for if I apply for life insurance?
Yeah, great question. So life insurance is typically covering you for death if you pass away or you're diagnosed with a terminal illness. Now, some of the insurers have a 24-month terminal illness window. So that means if the doctor says you will die, normally it's two doctors, one specialist and another specialist, and or doctors saying, look, if they're certain that you're going to pass away in less than 24 months, they will actually release your terminal illness benefit. Select insurers only offer a 12-month terminal illness benefit. So here again, that's something to consider when you're comparing insurers. But otherwise, life insurance is typically worldwide 24/7 with that 13-month suicide exclusion. Typically, you're speaking on the commencement of the policy. Here again, check the PDS, but that's typically speaking what you're covered for when it comes to life insurance.
Thanks. And another one we hear quite often is, can I hold multiple life insurance policies?
Great question. Yes, typically you can, so long as you are disclosing to the subsequent insurer that you are holding an existing policy. So let's say I've got policy A, I want to go ahead and take out a new policy B, and I want to keep both. What I'm going to typically have to do is disclose to insurer B that I have this policy A and that my intention is to keep both of those. And typically speaking, it's not going to be a problem so long as you can financially justify that level of cover. So that is quite a common situation and a very common question that we get as well.
And finally, will insurers pay out my claim?
Yeah, fantastic. Great question. So one of the recent initiatives that rolled out probably a number of years ago now is on the Money Smart website. ASIC and APRA are actually tracking all the claims payout rates, the dispute rates, and the lapse rates of the insurers and the complaints rate. So what you'll find now is that the claim success rates really depend on whether you went to a financial advisor, whether you went to the insurer directly or through your super fund. But what you'll find is that under the life insurance umbrella, that the claims acceptance rates are typically very high. With some of the stats that I can see here, that we're sitting at a 97.4% claims accepted rate in 2023. Here again, the Money Smart website's a fantastic tool to go